Hi dear students, welcome to online classes. This is Khalil Sir from New Public School. In last class we have studied about sources of carbohydrates and sources of proteins. In this class let we study about sources of lipids and what are all its functions and importance of lipids and fats. In this picture we can clearly see the sources of fats or lipids. We can write also neatly the sources of fats. Fats also very important to our body. See, fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, avocado. Avocado is one of the fruit that is also called butter fruit. We can prepare juice of this fruit and it is very tasty. Nuts and seeds and chocolates. These are the examples and sources of fats. Fishes and meats are the special sources of lipids or fats because in fishes and meats much fats is present. So only we should use it in limit way. Nextly we can learn functions of lipids. Very important functions lipid will do. First one, precursors of hormone. Second one, it helps in digestion. Third one, it provides store of energy. Fourth, it provides metabolic fuel. Fifth, this is a part of cell membrane. Because of this only cell membrane will be strong. In our food, vitamins and minerals also plays very important role. So only we should know the sources of vitamins and the sources of minerals. See, in this picture we can clearly see the sources of vitamins and which are all the vitamins are there, and it is very helpful and useful to our body. Vitamin A and vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E, and their sources we can see clearly in this picture. Deficiency of vitamins and minerals, we will suffer the following problems. If in our body vitamin A is deficient, then we will suffer from loss of vision. Loss of vision, it causes these symptoms: poor vision or loss of vision, means night blindness. We can't see after 6 o'clock night, like that. Vitamin B1, it will cause beriberi. The symptoms will be weakness of muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, if vitamin C is less in our body, scurvy, we will suffer from scurvy, means bleeding of gums. Bleeding of gums means in our teeth it will come blood while brushing. And vitamin D, vitamin D, if this deficiency means it will cause rickets, means bones become soft and bent. And vitamin D we will get through sun rays also. These are the main minerals our body needs, namely calcium, zinc, magnesium, iron and potassium. If these minerals are deficiency in our body, it will cause, for example, calcium is deficiency means we will suffer from bone and tooth decay. It means weakness of bones and tooth decay. If deficiency of iodine, we will suffer from disease called goiter, means glands in the neck appear swollen, mentally disability in children. And if iron is less in our body, it will cause anemia, means weakness in our body. If in our body is weakness, we cannot do any work and not interest also to do any work. In this class we have studied about foods high in fats, means lipids, and lipids and functions, and vitamins and minerals, and from which sources we will get minerals and vitamins, and which are all the main minerals in our body, and which are all the diseases will cause for the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. I hope you all are understood about these things. And today's homework, Write and learn sources of lipids, vitamins and minerals, each 10 for one time. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of your health.